Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find the day 6 elf on the Bloxburg 2024 elf hunt. So you'll need to buy a candy cane from the winter plot, like the one that sells like the boba tea and stuff. I just bought it. I just bought the candy cane, and we are going to go up the hill. I just used a smaller vehicle. It's easier to go up because where this place is, it's a little bit tedious to go to, and my driving skills are horrible. I'm trying to. Okay, I'm just gonna go slowly because I don't want to fall. Oof, almost fell. Go up here and up this hill again, and we're going to make a turn here because we need to fall on the like archway. Whoops, I almost fell. Like, we need to fall on here because that's where the elf is. Oh my gosh, and it's not helping that it's snowing. Okay, there's the elf. I'm just gonna fall here. Oh dear. And I'm just going to give the elf the ticket. Okay. I can't believe I made that. And that is pretty much it for day 6. It's a little bit tedious if I'm gonna be honest, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!